Okay guys, I hope you had some fun with that, thinking about how you could create different sentences to emphasize those pieces of information. It's all about grammar and vocabulary flexibility, and if this is something that you've practiced, then this hopefully won't be too difficult for you to do. But in any case, let's have a look at my suggested answers. Your answers might be different. There are lots of different ways that you can put these pieces of data, these pieces of information at the end of a sentence. So we started off with the company paid the invoice yesterday. We could say the company has paid the invoice yesterday. Yesterday, the company paid the invoice. The invoice was paid yesterday by the company. 3 different structures. 3 different ways to write a sentence, 3 different things which are being emphasized. Okay, question number 2. The law amend from the 1st of January. We could say the law will be amended from the 1st of January. Passive voice, we don't know who is going to be amending the law, or rather we focus on the action rather than the person who's doing this. We know that government or parliament will be amending the law, but generally people, in this context, don't use the active voice in a general sense. So the law will be amended from the 1st of January. We can create a clause at the beginning. From the 1st of January, the law will be amended. And then from the 1st of January, the amendment will change the law. So you can see that we've got slightly different meanings here, particularly if you compare the third one with the first 2, that the third sentence could be talking about something else. And that's something that we've got to be very careful about as we're going through this process. Are we changing the meaning? Are we moving away from what we want to say? And that's something to be aware of as you go through the drafting process in your own writing. You not respond our requests. Okay, very common situation. You want something to happen, it's not happening. So let's go through some options. You have not responded to our requests. Active voice, straight to the point. You have received our requests but have not responded. So this is a little bit more accusatory here. You have received our requests but have not responded. We are still waiting to hear responses to our requests from you. Okay, so a much longer sentence, but we had to make it longer. So at the end, we can say from you. Company ABC be in danger bankruptcy. Company ABC is in danger of bankruptcy. So we've got a form of the verb be here, is in danger. The bankruptcy of company ABC is a danger. Okay, so now this is a different message. So the first message is we are in danger of bankruptcy. So it rather suggests it's a little bit more immediate, that this is going to happen soon. The second sentence, the bankruptcy of company ABC is a danger. This doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be happening soon, rather than could be a theoretical discussion of what might be dangerous in the future, 6 months, 1 year down the line. So this is a different context. And then there is a danger of the bankruptcy of company ABC. This is much closer to the first sentence. And once again, the idea is that the danger is a little bit more immediate. So once again, focusing on different things, at least in my examples, means that you can create slightly different meanings in your sentences. And lastly, the resolution must pass, remove the HR director. Sounds as if there's trouble in the boardroom or between the shareholders. We must pass the resolution to remove the HR director, active voice, straight to the point. Removing the HR director will require us to pass a resolution. So here we've got using the gerund allows us to focus on the action, and then what do we have to do in order to achieve that action. And the third version, where we use the infinitive at the beginning, is similar in idea. To remove the HR director, the resolution must pass.